Hello everyone. Hope you guys are well. Today we will be talking about modules in Python. Modules are nothing but separate files that contains all the function that you need in your program. So instead of writing all the function in your one script, you will separate the function that you will use on the daily basis in your script into a separate file. So let's get started. I'm just creating a simple function def maybe give it a name sum fun, and I will take user input here var1 var2 and I'll bring some in var3. I'm just taking very basic example here, and I will be printing the result out here in var3. So let's see if that works. Some underscore fun, and we'll be passing the value 56 and 5. So answer should be 61. Let's see if there's any error. Yeah, so I'll create a similar function for multiplication, and I'll change the name multiply here, and that's it. Fun, just for test purpose I'm running this, and let's see what's the result. So yes, 6 for 24. Yeah, that's cool. So now what we're doing is I'm removing this value. So we want to call this function in different Python file. In order to do that, we can't do it in ipynb file. We have to convert this file to py file. So I'm downloading this file. You can do it by you going to file menu and download.py, and I'm clicking on save. So it will save the file in my download folder. So let's create another notebook where we want to use these functions. The system is setting up my new notebook, and I will give it exam name mode underscore test1. So let me run this. So allocation is done and connected. So now what I will do is I will upload that file to my location. So in order to do that, I will use a library google.colab, and I will import the function from that library, which is import files, and I will create a variable name for uploading the file, and I'll call a function files dot upload. So this function will give me a option to upload my file into my directory. As you can see, I'm running this function. It is giving me a browse function for selecting a file. So I will go to my downloads. This was the file that we created earlier. So we will upload the py file, and just done. It says it is saved. Now we add another code window. So here what we will do is we will see the working directory. So our working directory is under content here, and this is our file that we have uploaded. So in order to call this file, we will simply say from module and it is giving us suggestion here, module underscore example, and we'll import star, and I will call a function sum fun, and we'll pass two values 8 and 5. Let's see if there's an error. So this is the way you can call a function from another file, and I'm trying another function as well because we have imported the star all the functions. So 5 and 5, so it should give us 13 and 25. Yeah, so this is the way we can use the module file for Python. Another thing to take care is you should be under the same working directory where your file is. Otherwise it will give you an error. If you are not in a same working directory, you can go to that file, right click, copy the path, and use the command called cd and paste your path. So it will take you to the similar directory, and then you can call the file, and make sure you remove your file name while doing cd. So that was the tutorial for today. This is the way you can separate our functions from our code. So this will be very useful for the bigger projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.